Are you looking as cycling becomes increasingly popular for commuting, fitness, and recreation? The demand for high-performance bike lights has grown dramatically. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend trail rider, or a nighttime road warrior, proper illumination is essential for safety and visibility. In this guide, we evaluate the best bike lights based on brightness, battery life, mounting ease, durability, and overall value. These top picks are designed to help you ride with confidence day or night. List 1. Asher Ultrabright USB Rechargeable Bike Light Set. The Asher Ultrabright Bike Light Set is a well-rounded choice for cyclists seeking reliable illumination without breaking the bank. This set includes a front headlight and rear tail light, both USB rechargeable, making it convenient for urban commuters. The front light delivers up to 300 lumens, offering decent brightness for city streets and low light conditions. With 4 light modes: steady, slow flash, fast flash, and off, riders can tailor visibility based on the situation. The lights are easy to install thanks to the tool-free silicone mount straps, and they're also waterproof, making them dependable in rainy conditions. While not powerful enough for unlit trails, they are excellent for city use and short rides. For budget-conscious cyclists who prioritize practicality and simplicity, this set hits all the right marks. List number: Blitzu Bike Lights Super Bright Bicycle USB-C Rechargeable Headlight. The Blitzu USB-C Rechargeable Bike Light is a modern, high-lumen option built for visibility and convenience. Delivering up to 800 lumens, this headlight offers wide-angle coverage and is bright enough for both urban and off-road use. It features multiple lighting modes including high, medium, low, flashing, and strobe. The USB-C charging port provides faster charging compared to traditional micro USB models, and the included taillight adds extra safety. The build quality is solid, with an IPX5 water-resistant rating ensuring reliability in all weather conditions. Mounting is straightforward, and the light can also double as a flashlight. The light holds a strong charge for up to 6 hours on low mode, making it suitable for long commutes. With its blend of brightness, versatility, and fast charging, it's a great pick for riders looking for a premium experience. List 3. Bike Light Rechargeable Bicycle Light Set. Super Bright 8+12 modes. This rechargeable bicycle light set offers an incredible level of customization with its 8 front light modes and 12 tail light modes. Ideal for riders who cycle in varying conditions, this light set is bright, versatile, and user-friendly. The lights use USB rechargeable batteries and feature memory functions that remember your last used mode. Designed for safety and visibility, both lights can be operated individually or together, giving riders full control over their lighting setup. The casing is IPX5 waterproof, so rain or splashes won't be an issue. The lights are lightweight and install easily with adjustable silicone straps. The only drawback is that with so many modes, the controls may feel a bit overwhelming at first. However, for riders who like options and want full control over visibility, this set is a standout. List number: Active Life 2 Tire Pack LED Bike Wheel Lights with batteries included. The Active Life LED bike wheel lights bring visibility and fun together in a unique way. Unlike traditional headlights and taillights, these lights are mounted on your wheel spokes, creating glowing patterns that make your bike visible from the side, an often overlooked angle. Each pack includes lights for 2 wheels and pre-installed batteries, so you're ready to roll right out of the box. They're especially useful for children's bikes or recreational night rides, where visibility and visual appeal are both important. Installation is simple and tool-free, and the lights come in a variety of vibrant color options. While they're not a substitute for a headlight or tail light in terms of seeing the road ahead, they significantly enhance lateral visibility. If safety and style are both on your radar, this is a fun and functional accessory. List number: Gear Light Rechargeable Bike Light Bike Headlight and Tail Light Set. The Gear Light Rechargeable Bike Light Set is a reliable and affordable combo that's perfect for everyday cyclists. with a bright 500 lumen front light and a red tail light. This set ensures you're visible from both ends of your bike. USB rechargeability, a robust aluminum body, and multiple lighting modes: high, medium, low, strobe. Make it practical for daily commutes and evening rides. The lights are weather-resistant and mount securely with adjustable straps. One standout feature is the runtime, up to 10 hours on low mode, which gives it an edge for long-distance riders. The light can be removed quickly and used as a handheld flashlight, adding versatility. While the beam pattern may not be ideal for high-speed trail riding, it excels in urban and suburban environments. For riders who value simplicity, performance, and durability, this is a top-tier pick.